Hello there, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about addition. When we add, we get more. When we add, we get more. When we add, we get more. So when you put things together, we get more. Now, we are going to do addition using the 10 frames and my two-sided abacus. Are you ready? So the 10 frame and the abacus. All right. Now, the first number sentence says 4 plus 3 equal. So if we have 4 apples and we get 3 more, when we put them together, how much we have in all. So I'm going to use my 10 frames to work that out. So I have two colors. I have some corks or caps, and we have two colors. We have blue and white. So I'm going to use the blue for the top part and the white for the bottom part. So on my 10 frame, the top part has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. The bottom part has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. All right. So we are going to start with the larger number first, the bigger number first, which is 4. So let us count out 4 corks or caps. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we must have 3 more. So we're going to start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now we are going to count them up to see how many we have in all. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How do we write 7 again? Across and a slant down. 7. So this is very easy. Let us try another one using my two-sided abacus. Now it says 5 and 2 more. So 5 plus 2 gives us how much? Let us find out. So this side I'm going to use the yellow. 5, we want 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No more, we stop at 5. How many more must we put on it? 2. Go on the blue side. 1, 2. Very good. Now we are going to count it up to see how much we have in all. How many we have in all. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 and 2 more make 7. Very good. Let me clear. And another way that we can add is by drawing sticks or objects. So we have 7 here plus 1 more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw 1 more. 1. Let us count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put 8 right here. Let us try this one on our 10 frame. It says 8 and 2 more. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much more we must put on it? 2. 1, 2. Let's count it up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 and 2 more make 10. Very good. Now parents, all you have to do is to draw the 10 frames on a piece of paper like this and give them some stones, anything you can find around the environment, and allow them to add. It's easy. Bye boys and girls.